going to show you how to apply for credit cards on Credit Karma. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. So first off, you're going to need to check Credit Karma account for pre-approval offers from various credit card issuers, and you could also pre-qualify for credit cards by answering a few questions and providing basic information. Now when it comes to applying for a credit card, all you got to do is to browse credit card offers on Credit Karma, and you could also filter by rewards, interest rates, and other features, and then just select a credit card that suits your needs and apply directly through Credit Karma. And then all you got to do is fill out the credit card application, providing required information such as your income, your employment status, and credit history, and then just submit the application and receive an instant decision or a request for additional information. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.